at Data.ai, I'm responsible for the revenue operations organization. Until in our org here, we have several different departments essentially. We have from deal desk, we have marketing ops, we have sales enablement, we have reporting functions. Those are the key functions, and ultimately sort of we tie that off with field operations and strategy. That's the group that sort of kind of are in sync with the sales organizations, and then drives alignment across all the different groups essentially within the revenue operation. So, day in a life, it's quite interesting. We are, as you know, we have kind of gone through a major rebranding. So my day in a life was essentially encompassed that mostly, right? But ultimately, our goal is to drive sales efficiency. And through sales efficiency, we drive productivity, right? And through productivity, we ultimately kind of get to the end goal, right? So that's the model that we live by here. And our day in a life, sort of like, when I say, it's not necessarily mine, it's our as a RevOps team. Yeah. What we really sort of kind of hone in on is our operational cadence, right? That drives to those big questions that we try to answer, right? Like, the key metrics, understanding the key metrics. So we really sort of kind of have an operational cadence that we drive to, right? That relates to forecasting, that relates to pipeline, that relates to really the top of the funnel, how the things are trickling through all the way through. And then there's cadence around fiscal year planning, territory planning. So that's sort of kind of how we are designed. And then we all sort of kind of support different functions essentially from field operations perspective. So we have as you know, we support sales and marketing mostly, and also we are tied in with legal, finance. So we sort of really manage all of that, our day in life, through that process.